Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 5 best free language learning apps. Alright, let's begin. At number 1, Duolingo is a popular app that turns language learning into fun, bite-sized lessons with gamified exercises. It offers multiple languages, tracks progress effectively, and keeps users motivated. At number 2, Memrise focuses on real-life language usage by combining vocabulary training with videos of native speakers. It helps improve pronunciation and listening skills through engaging content. At number 3, Busuu provides structured courses, along with grammar lessons and feedback from native speakers worldwide. It also includes personalized study plans and offline access for learning anytime. At number 4, Drops emphasizes visual learning with quick sessions designed to build vocabulary efficiently. Its unique design keeps lessons short, making it perfect for busy learners. At number 5, HelloTalk connects users with native speakers for real-time language exchange and conversation practice. It supports text, voice, and correction features to improve communication skills naturally. That's it for this video. Thanks.